As a property manager or commercial building owner, ensuring the reliability and longevity of your roof system is essential. By partnering with NRCIA-certified professionals, you gain access to industry-leading expertise and peace of mind for your commercial property. As NRCIA-certified members, our team is trained to deliver thorough inspections and high-quality restorative solutions, providing peace of mind and roof assurance to property owners. Our leak-free roof certification reflects our commitment to excellence and reliability, all while minimizing disruptions to your business operations. We truly believe inspection is the foundation for expectation. That is why our inspectors focus on identifying even the smallest, often overlooked deficiencies that could compromise your roof's performance. By addressing these critical details, we deliver tailored solutions that meet your property's unique needs and goals. The leak-free process ensures your roof system is evaluated with precision and care, offering you a dependable solution for years to come. Our detailed photo-centric reports ensure clients clearly understand how the inspector arrived at their determination. Unlike others in the industry, we prioritize transparency throughout every phase of the project. These reports not only help clients make well-informed decisions, but also serve as a valuable baseline condition record, safeguarding the long-term value and functionality of their property. From minor repairs to complete replacements, NRCIA-certified members provide seamless solutions, prioritizing quality and efficiency, giving you confidence in the work being performed on your property. Our focus is on quality craftsmanship and world-class customer service, ensuring every detail is precisely attended to. Unlike others in the industry, we dedicate extra care to the critical SLDs, the small little details that elevate every project from standard work to a certifiable roof system. When you choose an NRCIA-certified professional, you choose roof assurance. Contact us today to schedule your leak-free roof inspection and discover why so many property managers and building owners trust our team with their commercial roofing needs. Today's inspection, tomorrow's protection. Get total roof assurance for your commercial property by contacting our NRCIA-certified roof inspectors to schedule your leak-free roof inspection today.